I'm holding a story that doesn't use ink, it uses threads. In a tiny village with a name most maps ignore, a loom talks louder than a microphone. Step on the treadle, pull the shuttle, beat the weft. It sounds like time keeping its promise. I came here because someone said everyone left, but not everyone. A grandmother with sun-warmed hands, a teen who chose threads over trends, a father weaving to pay for school books. Their craft, older than the road that brought me here. Look closely. The pattern isn't random. It's a wedding. It's a harvest. It's a prayer. Indigo for rain. Saffron for sun. The tiny mistake they never fix? It's not a flaw. It's the sign a human made this. They told me the hardest part isn't learning the loom. It's surviving the scroll. Fast fashion eats seasons for breakfast. These artisans spend 1 week on a scarf, 1 month on a shawl. When the city says, too slow, the village answers, that's the point. I asked, why keep going? The grandmother smiled. Because my mother's voice lives here. The teen said, because my hands are learning to remember. And me? I realized I'd forgotten how much patience feels like love. Craft keeps culture alive, but culture also keeps us alive. When we buy a story, not just a thing, we pay the past forward. When we pass down a craft, we hand the future a map. So here's your gentle nudge. Find the nearest artisan market. Ask who made it. Learn a knot. Pay a fair price. If you can't visit, share their work. 5 seconds of your time can give them 5 more years at the loom. Threads break. People leave. But stories hold. And today, with these hands, this village is still holding on. Let's make sure it doesn't let go.